This is my 2016 Subaru WRX CVT. My 3 cosmetic things that I've done to this car is the rear custom diffuser. This is the left spat, as it's a 3-piece and a diffuser. It's metal. Was made by Premium Auto Styling, but they don't do this anymore. It's a limited edition type of thing. The second thing is these removable tent. You don't drive with them because you'll lose them, but you can remove them at car shows. It looks really nice. And the third thing is getting the pulley cover, the fender shrouds, and the radiator shroud from Speed.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.